Hey, how you guys doing? This is Rich from Rich TV Live, and today I'm going to talk to you about my top 10 stocks right now for October 2020. So in number 10, Rail on the NASDAQ, Freight Car America Inc. Look at the share structure. 13 million shares issued and outstanding and a 32 million market cap for a company that's on the NASDAQ. Yeah, something I like about this one here. Freight Car America stock, you can see it's a 100% buy on bar chart. You can see that it is actually down today, so it might be a good time to start thinking about positioning yourself, and I'm going to show you why I like it. Up 65%. In the last month, 92%. It's just like been flying. 92% in the last 3 months, 219% in the last year. Rail, tight share structure, tight float. Freight Car America Inc. manufactures railroad freight cars with particular expertise in coal carrying rail cars. In addition to coal cars, Freight Car America designs and builds flat cars, mill gondola cars, international cars, coil steel cars, motor vehicle carriers. This is a stock I think we need to watch, and everyone should put on their radar and everyone should put on their watch list, because when I talk to you guys about stocks, they typically explode, especially my top 10 stocks. They're pretty much legendary at this point. We brought you winner after winner after winner, time and time and time again. And our modus operandi is to do that, right? That's what we do. Like that's what we do, right? That is our modus operandi, is to bring you undervalued, underappreciated, and underexposed opportunities early before anybody else on the planet. And here's another one, our number 10 pick, Rail. Probably never heard it before. That's what I like, right? I could sit here and I could say Apple and I could say Amazon, and I did that last month, and they're both up. But that's not really what I want to do. I want to bring you guys picks that no one's ever heard of before. And this one just happens to be, and this one right now just happens to be down. Take a look. It's down 5%. So it might be a good time to get in. Just saying. So that's my number 10 pick for October 2020. And like I said, I could sit here and say Microsoft and Apple and Tesla every single month, right? I'm not going to do that. I want to try to find you guys a nice balance between the big companies and the small companies. But at the end of the day, we always want to find you the best companies. That is really the objective, is to find you the best companies, right? So in number 9, getting a little ahead of myself, getting excited here. In number 9, I get excited when I talk about these picks because I really put a lot of time into them, and I hope you guys like these picks. I really hope you like these picks. AMTX, another 100% buy on bar chart at $3.11, right in my wheelhouse. You know I like small cap stocks under $5, right? So on the NASDAQ, AMTX, 100% buy on bar chart, just like Rail, 100% buy on bar chart. So I'm not just making this up. I'm not the only one that likes this stock. Bar chart likes it too. So when I'm bringing you guys picks, I'm trying to bring you guys picks that I think have a chance to do something big, you know, to be a winner, you know, to give you a chance to make a double or more, to multiply your money, to make a multiple on your money, right? At the end of the day, isn't that what we're all here to do, is to try to find a way to make a multiple on our money? And I think this is going to give you a chance. I think it gives you a chance. So take a look at this, scroll down, and there's a secret sauce to my picks, right? There's a secret recipe to everything I do. I don't just pick picks out of a hat, right? Like I try to bring you guys undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities before anybody else in the world. And I do so much research trying to identify these companies. This one is up 732% since March, 311% since July 10th, 88% since August 31st. And you probably never heard of it before. And that's why it's my job to bring it to you first. Here it is, AMTX. Amatis Inc. is an advanced fuels and renewable chemicals company. It produces renewable chemicals and fuels using patented microbes and processes. Amatis owns and operates an ethanol aminol feed plant in California to produce D5 advanced biofuels. So these guys are a company that I think you need to do some research on. And you can see here just recently, Amatis receives FDA National Drug Code for OTC sanitizer products. So, and look at this. Amatis Inc. closes 35.5 million phase 1 EB5 program. Like, these guys have had some big news. The stock has been running, and you can see it's clearly been going up. And that's why I wanted to bring it to your attention now. Now, remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. I'm not a financial advisor, okay? I'm not telling you to buy anything here, okay? If I do own anything that I talk about today, I will let you know, and I will disclose it in the video. I do own shares of one of the companies that I will talk about today, so I will disclose that as well. And AMTX, let's talk about their share structure, because it's extremely important that we look at their share structure and market cap. So we're going to do that. AMTX, we're going to look at the price 310, which is right in our wheelhouse. And you can see here, shares issued and outstanding, only 20 million shares issued and outstanding. That is right where we like it. Tight share structure, which means it could explode, okay? And only a 65 million market cap, a baby market cap for yet another senior exchange company. This is another gold mine, in my opinion, okay? Put a lot of time into these picks, guys. AMTX, I'm telling you right now, this has a chance to be a huge winner for our community, and they are my number 9 pick. My number 8 pick. We'll take a look at AMTX real quick here. Now, we're not going to spend all day doing this video, so I'm not going to like sit here all day and go through all the analytics and do that right now. But I mean, if I did look at the 1-year chart, you can clearly see, bam, you know, very easily I can draw a trend line, extended trend line here, and say, wow, it's been as high as 347, currently at 311. Clearly that's climbing, right? It's clearly on the way up. And in my opinion, I think it has a long ways to potentially go. So stay tuned with that one. AMTX. Now in number 8 is my lucky number, and FBIO, Fortress Biotech. FBIO, another company that is on the NASDAQ. It is an 80% buy on bar chart. You can see that it has climbed. It has been very strong. You can see 5 analyst strong buys. FBIO is my number 8 pick, up 14% in the last month, 61% in the last 3 months, 293% since March. Fortress Biotech Inc. is a biopharmaceutical company. The company is engaged in acquiring, developing, and commercializing novel pharmaceutical and biotechnological products. Fortress Biotech Inc., formerly known as Coronado Biosciences Inc., is based in New York, United States. This is a company that has been absolutely on fire, and I think it's important that you put them on your radar and you put them on your watch list. And if there's a stock that's making a move and it's a small cap stock, you know that we're going to be on it. That is our wheelhouse. This is our wheelhouse. We love stocks that go from 50 cents to $5. That's our, that's kind of our wheelhouse. So, anything from, $2 to $5, $10, even higher. I mean, I'm buying Apple right now. So, and I'm up on that. I mean, anything. And that was my number 2 pick for last month. And I put my money where my mouth is. I bought it on the dip and I'm already up. I mean, this is what I do. This is how I teach. This is how I train. And if you guys want to learn how to trade and you want to get access to these picks first, you can join our trading academy. Email me at richtvlive@gmail.com. And I would love to trade with you. And I'd love to have you be a part of the team. We have members making thousands of dollars a day on our picks. Thousands of dollars a day on our picks. And I'm not just talking stocks. I'm talking stocks, Forex, gold. It's unbelievable. Bitcoin, US 30, you name it, we do it. And we're going to continue to evolve. And yeah, it's true, Young Killa. We are the best in the game. It's true. There is nobody on this level. And everybody knows it. So you can't even try to short my picks anymore because you're just going to get squeezed and you're going to make yourself look bad. So at this point, we are the best in the game. The results speak for themselves. I mean, we can very easily just go to our website right now. Why don't we take a look at our picks? Right? Full disclosure, right? You go to richtvlive.com, go to Rich TV's picks. All our picks are right here. And we are momentum traders, 100%. We will take profits if we're up 5% or more. And you can clearly see that when we talk about a pick, it typically goes up. And when you're up 5% or more, you got to take your profit. If you're up 8%, it's going to 7%, 6%, 5%. What do? Take profit. That's what I teach at the Trading Academy. We teach you how to trade stocks. You can see all my picks right here so far in September. All of them are up so far. All of them have gone up since I brought the pick. I mean, that's just what we do. They might come down after they go up, but you got to make sure you execute and you take your profits. I'm not telling you to hold anything. I'm just giving you picks and letting you know that I think they have a chance to go up. And if they go up, you got to take profit. That's the way you got to trade if you're looking to trade with Rich, because we're momentum traders. Okay. If you hold, then there's nothing I can do for you. But if you're willing to take profits, you can take advantage of all these moves. And this is just this year. We've been doing this now for 3.5 years, since January 2017, live on YouTube with all our picks. You can see these are all our picks just since January. Okay. And almost every single pick is up and up a lot. Okay. So we want you guys to be aware of that. And at the same time, just know that I'm just an investor like you guys. Put a lot of time and a lot of education and a lot of research into these picks. I don't just pull them out of a hat, right? But our average pick so far in 2020 is up 128%. So our whole thing is we want to find undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities. Fbio, I believe, has a chance to be a huge winner for our community. So let's take a look at some more of the specifics. Fbio, Fortress Biotech Inc. Here we go. And shares out 93 million and a 363 million market cap. So if this was to grow to a 1 billion market cap, I believe there would be 200% upside here. And we could see this be a $10, maybe a $12 stock. So that's what I see for Fortress Biotech. I'm not telling you to buy it today. Always look for dips and then sell the rips. Okay. That's really the modus operandi here for Rich TV Live members and how we trade. Fbio. Let's take a look at Fbio. I'm not telling you to go buy these stocks today, guys. I'm just saying, put them on your watch list, put them on your radar. If you see a dip, you know, you might want to load up. And then if you see it rip, take profits. You know, that's just how we trade. I mean, clearly you can see as momentum traders, we love momentum. And you can clearly see the momentum here has been unbelievable, from $1 all the way up to $4. And I believe that this trend may continue. So Fbio needs to be something that you put on your watch list and you put it on your radar. I will have it on Rich TV Live listed. I don't hide my picks. I put them all up. You can see our picks from last month. K&R up 236%. You can see CRDL up 46% from, you know, at its high. You know, some of our picks that we've done, SHLL up 194%. So some of our picks have done absolutely phenomenal. And I'm assuming that our picks for this month will do just as well. And I'm excited to see how they produce. So Fbio is my number 8 pick. Now in number 7, and guys, take a look at the markets. Lots of green today. We've been up as much as 500 basis points. We are now giving back some of those gains, 263 basis points, but we're still up a lot. But we were up at one point over 500 basis points. Okay. I do believe that we will finish green. It's odd that we went so much up and now we're kind of coming down, but the market's doing a lot of crazy things this year. So, and like day by day, it kind of changes. So let's take a look at AQST. So number 7, AQST in my top 10 for October 2020. Aquestive Therapeutics, AQST, up 13% today, a 24% buy on bar chart. Good volume, 2.3 million shares. 4 analysts give it a strong buy. Up 15% in the last month, 27% in the last 3 months, and 259% in the last few months since the lows of COVID-19 in March. So this has been on the move. Aquestive Therapeutics Inc. is a specialty pharmaceutical company. It commercializes medicines to solve critical healthcare problems, as well as engages on late-stage proprietary product pipeline, which focuses on the treatment of diseases of central nervous system. It is a company that I think everyone should put on the radar, AQST. Let me show you why. You guys know I'm looking for something, right? Specific. I'm looking for something specific, right? I don't just pull these out of a hat, right? So I didn't just fall off the back of a coconut truck, right? And for shorters that are watching, I dare you to short these picks. I'm actually wanting you to short these picks because I like to get in at a good price. This company has 148 million market cap on the senior exchange, once again on the NASDAQ, and only 33 million shares issued and outstanding, which means it has, once again, a very tight float. You know, I love the tight floaters, guys. Love them. Love the tight floaters. AQST. Let's pull it up here. And we'll take a look at this chart and see why it's so exciting. And you know what I do is as I pull them up, I add them to the watch list. And this is how I build my watch list, guys. Just adding picks all the time, just watching them all. And then, you know, as you watch them, you see everything that's going up during the market and you can keep track of all your picks. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. And I can take the drawing here and we'll just do the ray up. So you can see it's been as high as 947. I mean, we'd love to get it back there and get in at these prices of $5, right? So that's the whole name of the game. Buy low, sell high, and take profits. And AQST has been on a move from 141 to $5, been as high as 947. I like to see it get back to 947 for our community, for anyone that wants to get in, okay? So if you do get in for the win on this one has a chance to be epic. Epic, epic, epic. So number 10, rail. Number 10 is rail. Number 9, AMTX is my number 9. Number 8, Fbio is number 8. Number 7, AQST. So we've gone through 4 of our picks so far. All of them are new picks that I've never seen anyone ever talk about on YouTube before. And like I said, I take pride in bringing you winners and picks before anyone else on the planet. Okay. So rail, AMTX, Fbio, AQST, all absolutely on alert. Now, in number 6, Mind Medicine. Mind Medicine in number 6. MMED in Canada, MMEDF in America, Mind Medicine. MMEDF in America is Mind Medicine, down 5% today. And this is a psychedelics company. And they discover, develop, and deploy psychedelic-inspired medicines to alleviate suffering and improve health. And they are in the mushroom space. I'm very bullish on medicinal psychedelic companies, and I'm very bullish on Mind Medicine. I think that this is a company that has huge upside. It does have more shares issued outstanding than a lot of the stocks that I like, but I believe that they are a company that has enormous potential. They just made an application to the NASDAQ, and I believe that the NASDAQ application is huge and is going to be a huge catalyst for Mind Medicine. And because of that, I believe that this is one to watch. And I believe that it has a chance to really explode like it has recently over the last week in October. Mind Medicine, my number 6 pick for October 2020. Only 137 million market cap. I think it has room to grow. And with huge players like Mr. Wonderful himself, Kevin O'Leary, and with Bruce Linton, the founder of Canopy Growth, involved with this company, Bruce Linton on the board, Kevin O'Leary as a strategic investor, I just believe that this is a company that has a long way to go. It did hit $1 this week. It's right now at 76 cents. So Mind Medicine, MMED, is one that I think you need to put on your radar and put on your watch list. I think they have a chance to be a huge winner. And that's why they're my number 6 pick for October 2020. Now, for my number 5 pick, now I like to identify picks that I think have a chance to do really, really well. And for me, Citigroup is one that everybody should know. And I think right now at these prices, everyone should put on their watch list and everyone should put on their radar. CIT, Citigroup. Now, you can see here, bar chart doesn't agree with me. They've got them as 100% sell. But personally, I think that this is the time to maybe get into Citigroup, CIT. And you can see here, it is up 13% in the last month and 47% since the low March 23rd. CIT Group, Citigroup, is a bank holding company that provides financial and leasing capital for commercial companies throughout the world, covering a wide variety of industries. The company offers vendor equipment, commercial, and structured financing products, as well as factoring and management advisory. I think that Citigroup goes up from here. I think that they're a company that is going to benefit from the recovery in the economy. And I think that a lot of different companies are going to benefit from the recovery in the economy. I believe this is one of those companies, okay? Not one like, obviously when you're a huge bank like that, let's take a look at their share structure. They are on the New York Stock Exchange. And if we go to their security details, we can see that they have 98 million shares issued and outstanding. So for me, a bank of this size with only 98 million shares issued and outstanding, that is a no-brainer. Like, you can blow on this stock and it goes up. And a 1.6 billion market cap seems really small for a bank this size. So for me, it's a no-brainer. That's why I think that Citigroup at this price, I think has to be on everybody's radar and everybody's watch list. And I'm going to show you why. Okay. And Mind Medicine, guys, MMED is the symbol in Canada. The symbol in the US is MMEDF. That's Mind Medicine in America and Canada. And then Citigroup in America is CIT. Citigroup is my 5th pick for October 2020. And I'm going to show you why I like it. Look at this. It was at $48 in January. It came down. Look at this. It came down from $48 to $12 during the COVID crisis. 48 to 12. Okay. Now it's come up a little bit, sure. But I mean, from 12 to 17. I mean, I think that this thing, I think it has a chance to fly, guys. I think this thing has a chance to fly and go back to 48 bucks. Now, if it goes back to 48, 50 bucks and we get in at 17, we can win big. So like usual, that's what I do, right? Like my job is to bring you guys picks that have a chance to explode so that we can win big. And I think that Citigroup at 17 bucks, it was at $49 in January. Why is it at 17 now? I think this goes higher. That's why they're my number 5 pick for October 2020. So today was a very interesting day. And today there have been 2 IPOs. Here's one of them. PLTR Technologies, brand new IPO at $10.30 and up 41% on its very first day trading. This is a brand new IPO. It is my number 4 pick for October 2020. And if I did this video yesterday, it would look even better. But I knew it was going to go up. Our entire community, I told them this was going to 10 bucks before the IPO, and it's at 10 bucks. So it's done exactly what I expected it would do. And they are my number 4 pick for October 2020. I'm not saying chase this now that it's up 40%, but maybe, watch it, put it on your radar, put it on your watch list, maybe buy it on a dip. I think there's a lot of upside here for this company and it has huge potential. That's why they are my number 4 pick for, and I'm going to show you why, many different reasons. Take a look at this. PLTR Technologies, my number 4 pick for October 2020. Doesn't have any info yet. No company profile yet. Okay. All right. Yeah. So, I mean, because it's a new IPO, they don't really have any information on it. But what I can assure you is all the fundamentals look pretty good for this company. And I've done the research and the due diligence, and I believe that they have a chance to be huge. Okay. So PLTR, my number 4 pick in October 2020, new IPO. Do your research, do your due diligence. Let me know what you think. I think it has a chance to be a home run. Okay. And my next pick, my number 3 pick, another IPO today, which also exploded. And I told everyone in our community pre-IPO today, it was going to go up between $25 to $30. Well, where did it go? Well, right now it's at $27.97, $27.93. So it has done almost exactly what I anticipated it would do. And it is right now at just under $28. And it is another brand new IPO, and it is up 30% right now, 32. And it has been up as much as $30 today, which I predicted it would be, and has come down a little bit. And it is my number 3 pick in October 2020. And the interesting thing about this company is that the CEO of this company is the ex-partner, the ex-founder of Facebook with Mark Zuckerberg. So I did some reading on it. I thought it was very interesting. I expected to do well today. It has done well. 2 new IPOs, and you have to have them on your watch list and on your radar in October 2020 and beyond, if not right now, because it's their first days of trading. So they're just getting on the radar and people are just starting to buy these stocks. Okay. That's why they're my number 3 pick for October 2020. Now, my number 2 pick, which I should have given to you guys sooner, but I've been giving it to our community members and to members that are watching on YouTube, TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness. Unbelievable what this company has done. Unbelievable what this company is doing. TAAT in Canada up 12% again today. TOBAF in America Now, full disclosure, they are one of my clients. So, you know, I work with TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness, helping them create exposure and awareness. So I do not own any shares of TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness, but our members within our community all over the world own shares in TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness in the Canadian market, TAAT, in America, TOBAF, and even in Frankfurt, Germany, we have members that are buying shares there too. And everybody's winning all over the world because the stock has not stopped. It has been an absolute dream for members. You can see here, literally gone from 10 cents. Check this out, 10 cents in America to now $1.86. Unbelievable what TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness has done. I will have the CFO on our show tomorrow at 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern, live on Rich TV Live. We will have the CEO on our show of TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness. The CFO will be on our show tomorrow, and you'll learn more about this unbelievable winner. And if we take a look at TOBAF, you can see it's a fully reporting bulletin board company at $1.86. See right there, fully reporting company at $1.86 and up 14% right now in America. TAAT Herb Co., the flagship brand of TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness Limited, is an early stage consumer products company based in Las Vegas, Nevada, innovating nicotine-free and tobacco-free alternatives to traditional cigarettes with a unique proprietary blend of all natural ingredients and meticulous engineering of the user experience. TAAT's tobacco flavor cigarettes emulate every aspect of legacy tobacco products with no noticeable compromise to the user. Enhanced with CBD, a non-psychoactive derivative of hemp, TAAT cigarettes provides benefits that include mitigation of tobacco withdrawals and reduction of tobacco dependency. With an expert-led go-to-market strategy, TAAT's objective is to position itself in the U.S. $925 billion global tobacco industry to capitalize on the growing worldwide demand for better-for-you alternatives to traditional cigarettes. This has been a huge winner for our community. Today, now up 500%. We brought this to pre-IPO in Canada at 41 cents. It is now at over $2.47, which means it is officially up for our members now 500%. And we brought it to you first before anybody else on the planet. I remember sitting down with this company when they sat down with us and said, Rich, we want to work with you and we want to help you and your community win because this is going to be a winner. Pre-IPO, I sat down with the company and that's what they said. And guess what? 500% later, from 41 cents to $2.48. This is no longer a penny stock. This is now a $5 stock, folks. We are going to $5. I am confidently letting you know that I truly believe that TAAT will be going to $5. We are now at $2.48, up 12.73% yet again today. Unbelievable what this company has done. And let's look. I don't lie, guys. Look at this. Look at that chart. That chart's a thing of beauty, right? And let's take a look. 196% in the last month, 236% in the last 3 months. Unbelievable. The news just keeps popping for this company. And I believe this story is just getting started. Okay. And right here, take a look at the shares. 76 million shares issued and outstanding. Only 48 million of those shares in the float and 123 million market cap. I'd like to see this company grow to a 1 billion market cap at least, which means we still have 7x to go. So this story is just getting started for our community. I don't believe that this story is going anywhere but up. And I love the TAAT story. I absolutely love the TAAT story. And it has been a winner for our community since day one. Nonstop winning for our community. So what is our number one pick? Well, I searched and searched and searched, and I actually bought this myself today. I put my money where my mouth is, and I bought this myself. So new, so exciting. They're not even here. You can't even find them. Brand new, and a telemedicine ETF, folks, which I just bought 325 shares of today. And it is Global X Telemedicine and Digital Health ETF, EDOC. So I just got into this. I'm a huge fan of telemedicine. I absolutely love telemedicine. And EDOC is a company that I believe has a chance to be absolutely huge. Absolutely huge. And I did my due diligence and I did my research, and I found out they only have 21 million shares issuing outstanding. So for me, this was a buy. I positioned myself in them today. The lowest they've ever been is $15.25. And they are now at $16.83. Of course, when I go live, everybody wants to call, right? So they are now at $16.83. And I love the idea of a telemedicine ETF because I love telemedicine. And this is a true telemedicine ETF, which is now invested in the top 10 of the top telemedicine companies in the world. I love it. It opened up July 29th, 21 million shares issued outstanding. I've done the research. I've done the due diligence on this, and I bought it today. I bought 325 shares. I'm putting my money where my mouth is. It is my number one pick for October 2020. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not winning, you're not watching. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. We bring you the winners, and we bring them to you first. You guys want to see TAAT, my number 2 pick right now, up 13%. How about KNR, Control Energy? Yeah, I brought you guys this pick last month. They're screaming today. So pick after pick after pick. What we do is we bring them to you first before they explode, and we've done it yet again, time and time and time again. So stay tuned, get your popcorn ready. These are some of our picks, and we think that they have a chance to yield incredible returns. Thank you guys. It's your boy Rich. Look at KNR now, $4.93. Unbelievable, guys. One of our picks that we brought to you guys last month at $2, right now at $4.93. Control Energy, KNR in Canada, KNRLF in America. Take a look at it in America right here. Up 9% in America. One of our picks from last month. And to recap our picks for this month, Rail in number 10. Rail. Here's number 10 is Rail, currently at 230. In number 9, AMTX. Number 9. They're also on a dip. They have gone up since we've been live. Surprise, surprise. Number 8, Fbio. Fortress Biotech. Number 8. Number 7, AQST. They've been climbing all day. Already up 14% today. MMEDF, Mind Medicine in America. MMED in Canada on a dip today. My number 6 pick. Citigroup, a bank that I believe is undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed at these prices, I believe is a buy at number 5. And my number 4 pick, PLTR. So you can see we have a nice mix here this month, guys. I really like this list. PLTR, brand new IPO, up 38%. Definitely one to watch this month. ASAN, another brand new IPO that just opened up today. They're up. Another one to watch for October 2020. TAAT, one of my hottest picks ever, up 500% now today, officially since its IPO from 41 cents all the way to $2.49. I now am saying that this is a $5 stock, folks. Stay tuned to TAAT, our number 2 pick for October 2020. And my number 1 pick, which I bought today, 325 shares of EDOC. I also own DOC, which was one of my picks for last month, which is Scream this month. Telemedicine, I'm loading up on telemedicine. I love telemedicine. A new telemedicine ETF with 21 million shares issued outstanding just launched July 29th. I'm in for the win. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. Peace. Yo, if you like these picks, smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere, and let me know what you think are your top 10 picks. I'm out. Peace. And if you want to join the Trading Academy and get access to these picks first and every single day, just what are you waiting for? Join, man. Send me an email, richtvlive@gmail.com. Join me and you win. It's like that easy. It's true. Peace.